Okay, let's start with language.
I had the worksheet. I'm going to make
We
it
need
in
to
my
copy
notebook.
the notebook, miss.
Okay, yes, we're going to copy at the end in the notebook. Right now,
I have
the
the
worksheet.
worksheet, miss. I'm going to write it in the notebook.
Yes, if you cannot print the worksheet, you need to write it down in your notebook, the worksheet. So in case that you cannot print it. If you can print it, better because you don't have to copy everything. But if you cannot print it, so you need to copy in your notebook or in a separate page. Okay, so remember, we're talking about parts of a speech. It's the same topic. We talk about parts of a speech that we use when we're talking, when we're speaking. So that's why they are called speech. And also when we're writing, we need to use them carefully to not get confused to the person that is reading or listening to us. So we have articles. Well, here are some examples, but we make emphasis on verbs, adverbs. Remember, verb is the action. Adverb, it describes more as the verb, so it gives more information about the adverb, the verb, the action. We have adjectives that it describe the noun, if it is beautiful, short, fast, small. So the adjective gives us more information how it is the noun. The noun is a person, it can be a person, an animal, an object. And also we talk about pronoun, right? Pronoun, we replace the noun. He, she, it, we, he, her, all these pronouns that we have been using. We have more, we have interjection, but we're not going to make emphasis this week on that. Conjunctions, prepositions too, if it is time, place, articles. But next class, we're going to talk about that. It's not the point for today. Now, reviewing the parts of a speech. Have ready your worksheet class. A part of a speech tells how the word is used in a sentence, remember. So no, letter A, let's complete the first part. Write each underlined word in the correct column below. So here we have a chart with nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. And we're going to classify the underlined words. For example, number 1, the sun is a bowl of hot gases. The two words that we have is sun and hot. What is sun, class? Is a noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, or adverb?
Noun.
It's a noun. The sun is a noun. It's an object. So you are going to write here noun. Sorry, and under noun, the heading of noun, sun. You're going to write the word sun because it's a noun. And hot. What is hot? You're
Adjective.
It's an adjective. So you're going to write here hot under the heading of adjective. Hot is an adjective. Okay, perfect. Now, number 2, it is much bigger than the earth. What is the word? It is. So classify according
Pronoun.
to what you know.
Pronoun.
That's
Okay.
why the pronoun.
So write it down. Write it down. Then we check the answer. Complete it by yourself. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes to read the sentences and complete it, and then we check the answers. And if you have corrections, you are going to correct. Mm-hmm.
In what we there? In what? In what carpeta? In what carpeta?
In which folder? In the worksheet. It's on the classwork number 3. Remember, classwork number 3.
I finished.
It's there. Okay. If you don't have the worksheet, you can copy that in your notebook. Remember, you cannot print it. Alberto, tell me, Alberto.
Me, I don't have the worksheet.
You don't have it, but you have your notebook with you?
Yes.
You need to copy.
I don't have the worksheet.
Okay.
I am making a notebook.
Yes, like Danny says, Miss, I couldn't print the worksheet, so I'm going to copy. Remember, if you cannot print it, you don't have it, you need to copy in your notebook. You need to copy in your notebook. Okay, Danny? But everybody should be working. Copy in your notebook, class. Copy in the notebook the charts. You're not going to copy everything. In this case, just copy the charts because of the time. We don't have too much time that you finish to copy everything. So later you can copy the rest. Okay, finish. What is number 2? It. Where is going to be it?
Pronoun.
Pronoun. That's right. It's a pronoun. And is?
Verb.
It's a verb. That's right. So it is a pronoun and it is a verb. Number 3, the sun glows brightly in the sky.
No.
What is glows?
Glows is verb.
It's a verb. It's the action. That's right. And what is brightly?
Adverb.
It's an adverb. It gives us more information about how does this sun glow so brightly. So this word brightly answer the question how. How, so it's an adverb. Excellent. Number 4, 9 planets move around the sun.
9 is adjective.
9 is an adjective. It's a number. That's right. 9 in planets.
Noun.
It's a noun. Excellent. How can you identify this? 9 planets move around the sun. Planets is a noun. How many? 9. So 9 is giving us the information that we need to describe the noun, that the noun is planet. So 9 is an adjective and planet is noun. Marcelo, are you working, Marcelo? Mia Valentina, you finished to work on this? Yes. Remember, you need to take a photo and upload to Schoology all these classes. Yes, because I see that you are connected, but you're not working. Not all of you, not all of you. Some of you are working and participating, but some people, they are connected, but they are not working. So now you need to take a photo and upload everything to Schoology. So in this way, I'm going to be sure that you work in class. Yes. It's not just to be connected, class. I see, I take the attendance, I know that you're here, but you need to be working. If you don't have the page, copy in your notebook. At the beginning, I tell you, be ready with your notebook. If you don't have the worksheet with you, copy everything in your notebook.
I don't have the worksheet, but I copy in my
Yes.
notebook.
Look at Lucia. Lucia is showing the notebook. She doesn't have the worksheet, but she copied everything on the notebook. Camila, the same Camila. Perfect. I know that you cannot print it. You cannot print the worksheet. I know it, but you can write it down. You have your hands. You have your pen, your pencil, your folder, or the things that you use to write it down. So copy just the chart. Because of the time, you cannot copy everything. At least the chart. The chart with nouns, the pronouns, the answers. In the last sentence, scientists study them regularly. What is them?
Them is pronoun.
It's a pronoun, and regularly
Adverb.
is an adverb.
I finished.
You finished? Yes, Marcelo, you have the worksheet with you. Perfect. Them is a pronoun class because it replaces the noun. Instead of saying scientists study the planets, we use them. These word thems refer to the planets. But we don't write planets, we write them. It's a pronoun, it replaces the noun. And regularly is an adverb because it gives us information about the action. How does these people study these planets? Regularly. Yes? Finish class? Okay, if you finish, work in practice B. Now work in the second part if you have the worksheet. If you don't have the worksheet, wait 1-2 minutes because I'm going to wait for your classmates to finish to copy the chart. Work in the second part.
The worship we uploaded to Schoology.
Yes, you need to take a photo and upload it.
Okay.
Now, the second part, class, remember, you're going to replace the underlined word with a word from the list that is the same part of the speech. Write a new sentence so you have words like carefully, people, see, be under, interesting, and move. Think about the words that they are there. I want to help you, but just give me one minute. Finish the copy, Alberto. Finish the copy, Mia. Finish the copy, class. This chart.
Yes.
Yes.
I finished the copy chart, Miss.
Isabela,
Teacher,
perfect.
Yo ya estoy en el in
The
the
second part.
next edges.
Okay, perfect. Now let's go to the second part. It says, replace the underlined word. in this case,
Interesting thing
scientist
and
what?
see.
No me pegué con eso.
Interesting thing
Okay,
and see.
interesting. See the planets move.
People see the planets move. People see the planets move.
People, okay,
People see the-
scientists, they are people, okay. And
People
what?
see scientists move.
Okay, Donnie, that's right, Donnie. I listen to Donnie. People see the planets move. I can replace the word scientist and use the word people. And instead of watch, write see. So people see the planets move. That is the number one. So we already use these two, people and see. Perfect. Because people, scientists, they are people, and watch, it's a synonym for see also.
They work carefully.
They work hard at their jobs. They work
They
carefully.
were
at their
careful
jobs.
at their jobs. They were
Mhm.
careful at their jobs.
Yes, instead of hard, you look for one word. Carefully, we intercede move. You say carefully, they work carefully at their job. So you rewrite the
finished this.
sentence one more time.
Some planets travel near the sun.
Some planets move near the sun.
Move instead of travel.
Move,
Mhm.
Move,
move, move.
move.
They move,
Yes.
that's right. Some planets move near the sun. So the last one, they are curious about the
we are
planet.
curious about the planet.
We are
We.
curious. No,
Excellent. We are curious about the planets. They, it's
Yes.
a pronoun, so we need to replace they using another pronoun. In this case, the
It's
only
really
pronoun
easy.
is we. Easy. For Marcella, it's easy. Perfect.
I finished. Easy.
Finished. Okay.
Work curious. They
Now, if you finish, go to the next part of the worksheet that it says write it. You need to write the answer of one question. What is the question there, class? Write it
Miss,
part.
a mí no me sale nada, Miss. Look. Describe the way the Earth might look from a spaceship, write on a separate sheet of paper.
Okay, in your notebook, you're going to write that answer, that description in your notebook. Yes, so if you finish to
I write it.
write these sentences, write the answer for practice C, the letter C, part of the worksheet.
I finished the practice B in the write it.
The writing. Okay, Danny, so you're going to share what is your answer? What is your answer, Danny?
I don't know.
You don't know and you finished?
Describe the way
The sentence I finished.
Okay, now
I'm thinking.
letter C. I'm going to read carefully what you write in letter C, class. Everybody take a photo and upload that part. So if
The
you have the
right
worksheet,
it.
work on the next part. Yes, the
What
writing.
is the spaceship?
The
Describe
spaceship,
the
class.
way the Earth
Una
might
nave.
look from a
Mhm. Imagine that you are on the moon and you're in a spaceship and you want to see
A name.
down and you see the earth. How does it look the earth?
Ovalada, circle,
A
circle.
circle?
nave.
Circle and blue and green.
Okay, so write it down. Write the answer. How does it look? It looks
We
like
don't
a
have to
circle.
draw.
No, you don't have to draw. Or maybe you can draw. That's a good option. You can draw, but you need to write the sentences, right? The
Tiene
sentence.
una respuesta en
What
a
is
response
the notebook?
o
Please write this in the notebook.
Yes. Okay, hold on. Did you finish class? Everybody to copy sentence
Yes.
6, 7, 8,
Yes.
9? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, number the third part, write it. What you need to do here, class? It says, describe the way the earth might look from a spaceship. Write it on your notebook. You're going to use your notebook. In your notebook, you're going to write that answer. I have that picture. How does it look the earth from a spaceship? How does it look? How does it look this picture, class? How does it
Circle,
way?
white, blue, and green.
Mhm.
the sun.
Blue.
So you can say, for example, the earth, I'm going to write one sentence to help you.
Please write this in the notebook.
In your notebook, you need to write this answer. The earth might look with different color, might look from different colors, like you say. Gabriela says, the color, which colors?
Blue, white, and green.
Blue, white, and green. Yes. I think in this page
Colors?
are all.
The white is when it's a cold place.
Green, and also I can see like brown. Brown in some part it looks like brown and brown. For example, you can write, this is one sentence, but we can write more, class. What else? What else we can say? How does it look, this picture?
The part in white is that donde hace frío, when it's
The
cold.
part, the white part, okay, the white part
All the things are blue. Are
might be what?
Cold.
When it's cold. Okay, excellent, Gabriela. When
all
it's
the
cold.
parts. All the parts blue are the oceans.
The ocean, the blue one. Okay, excellent, Rebecca and
And the
Gabriela. The
color
blue
green.
one.
Teacher, copy
The
the
ocean.
Green is the grass.
Are the grass.
The green one. What does it represent? The color green.
The the wall when the
The
grass.
land or what?
The
The trees. Do you think the
the land,
trees?
the
The
plant.
land, trees. Okay, and the color brown. Looks like brown here. We
I
can
can see them.
I can say
teacher,
that.
okay,
copy
we can
this.
say yes. You can. This is an idea. You write your own answer, but you can copy this. Yes, as an idea.
My
The green.
answer.
Everybody is
I
giving me
see.
ideas. The green
The
and
earth.
brown.
And the brown are the rocks.
Okay, are the land, trees, and rocks.
Tiene
Excellent.
mucho
Or
océano.
mountains.
Yes.
Rocks or mountains. You write your answer. Very
And
good.
I see also too.
What
and
else?
also-
What else we can see? What else? Now, different answer. We describe the colors. What else we can say, class? Different people. Just Rebecca and Gabriela are participating. What do you see here, class? How does the earth look from a spaceship using this picture? How does it look?
Can I copy this?
Yes, you can copy this, but you need to write more. You can copy this answer, class, but you need to write more. Rosa, tell me, Rosa.
The earth is circular.
It looks like a circle. Yes, it's in the shape of the. You can write about the shape. Excellent.
White.
So the earth
I finished.
looks like a circle. You say like a circle, but it's
Teacher.
not a circle. It looks like a circle. What else? What else, Marcelo?
Teacher.
What else you can tell me about this, Marcelo?
I finished.
You finished? Okay, tell me. Share your answer, Marcelo. What else?
There's very much ocean and color green, blue, white, and brown.
What else? Need to write more. You need to write more.
That the white
And
part
round
también,
for the
the
sun.
white, that the white part también representan the clouds.
You can write that. The white. Okay, perfect. Write it down. Write it down. Here I'm just writing some ideas, but look, and listen to Gabriela. She's saying, for me, the color white, it represents the clouds also, so you can write it down. But you
Teacher.
have to write a paragraph fast. You don't have to write just one sentence. No, you need to write more. You are in 4th grade, so you can write more information.
What
Round
paragraph?
for circle
I see.
for the sun.
Like 6 sentences. 6 sentences you
Okay.
can write at least. Or like, look up here. I'm describing it using the information that you told. Not just one sentence.
You have 5 sentences.
5 sentences, okay, perfect. Because you're in 4th grade, you need to write paragraphs using the information that you know. One sentence is for kindergarten. 1 sentence is for 1st grade. 2 sentences for 2nd grade. 3 sentences for 3rd grade. 4 sentences for 3rd grade. 5 sentences for 5th grade. For 4th grade, sorry, you're in 4th grade. But you're going to be 5th grade, so you need to have 6 sentences now.
And 11 if in
Next year in 5th grade, you might write more sentences. Yes. Using one picture, describe it. So you can copy this, but you need to write more information. More information. Yes. Questions, class. Questions about what you need to do in this part of write it. No? Okay, we have 2 minutes. 2 minutes and then we finish the class. Remember that you need to take a photo of this part, especially of this part, and upload it to Schoology. I'm going to be reading your answers. So everybody take a photo of this and upload it to Schoology. I'm going to read carefully your answer. And now language, you don't have homework this week. You have homework on science, you have homework on spelling, social studies, ESL, Ciencias Sociales. Remember this homework you have. And next week, we don't have classes. Remember, no classes because we have the Holy Week. The Holy Week. So it's better for you work on the homework today and tomorrow, and maybe this weekend. So next week, you are free of homework. Yes? So remember, work on the homework, and then you're going to be free and enjoying your vacations. Fernando, excellent. Marcelo, now let's finish with this. Let's finish the class with this class. So you can go and have your lunch.
my sentences that I said to you.
Okay, perfect. Perfect.
Teacher.
Bye bye. See you on April 18th because next week we don't have classes. So enjoy your vacations, class. Take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye.
I mean.
Bye bye.
I finished, Miss.
Finished. Bye bye, Rosa. Bye bye, Camila.